Welcome to the Craftessa, everyone. My name is Vanessa, and on today's DIY, we're going to make multiple pieces of Ralph Lauren inspired decor using items from the Dollar Tree. Make sure to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok, where I post super quick and easy videos, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit the little red bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Now let's get on with today's projects. For the first project, I'm going to use this vase from the Dollar Tree. It was $3, not $1.50, and this plastic plate. They come a few in a pack, and I'm going to use one. This is wrapping paper or gift wrap. I'm going to use this for the plate, and I'm going to decoupage it with some Mod Podge. Now, the next thing we're going to use is these little reindeer ornaments. We're going to use 4, and I'm going to give them a few coats of the Rust-Oleum metallic gold paint. I couldn't find the gold one, so I'm going to paint them. While the reindeers dry, I'm going to trace the plate onto the gift wrap, and then I'm going to cut it out. Now, it doesn't matter if you have a little bit of excess left over, because once the Mod Podge is dry, I can just sand it down or just cut it with a scissor. Now, by using a few layers of thin coats of Mod Podge, I'm going to make sure that the entire plate is covered, and then I'm going to place the wrapping paper on it. So let's go finish this part. So I let the Mod Podge dry, and this is what it looks like. It looks super adorable. Now I'm going to use this Krylon gold paint pen in order to do the edges, in order to give it that real Ralph Lauren look. Now that both of these pieces are done, just with some hot glue, I'm going to attach the vase onto the plate. This way it gives it a nice little base. And my reindeer are dry, so I'm going to place them around the vase with some hot glue, and this first project will be done. So let's finish this. For project number 2, I'm going to use this plastic charger with a gold trim from the Dollar Tree. I had never seen these before, I just saw them now, so I grabbed a few. And I'm going to use the same wrapping paper that we used in project number 1. This wrapping paper is going to come in handy for many projects I'm working on. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to trace the charger onto the wrapping paper, and then I'm going to cut it out. So let's continue with this part. So now I'm going to attach it with some Mod Podge. I'm going to decoupage it to the back side of the charger. Now by using some thin layers of the Mod Podge, I'm going to make sure that the entire charger is covered, and then I'm going to lay down the gift wrap on top of Mod Podge. So let's continue. Now that I coated the entire charger, I'm going to face up, if that's the way to say it. I'm going to lay down the gift wrap. Now, I do use my hands in order to remove the excess wrinkles. Now, when I'm decoupaging circular objects, whether it be plates or ornaments, I do make slits on the sides. This way, it falls and lays down easier. And since the Mod Podge is going to glue everything down, you're definitely not going to see the slits in the paper. So let's continue. So now it is done, and I absolutely love the way that it turns out and the way that it looks. I am ready to set up my table for Christmas. For project number 3, I'm going to use this gold ornate frame from the Dollar Tree. I am in love with these frames. I bought a few when I first saw them, and now I can't find them anywhere. And the next thing we're going to use is this wine bag. It has that plaid Ralph Lauren vibe to it. So I'm going to use this as the backing for the frame. So the first thing I did was cut the bottom off, and then I'm going to cut the bag in half and remove the handle. Now, when I first traced this out, I did get one of the creases in my piece that I cut. So after I did this video, I did the whole thing over. In order to remove the crease from the paper, I used a piece that did not have the crease because looking at that crease on the frame was driving me mad. So I'm going to trace the backing of the frame onto the wine bag, and then I'm going to cut it out, and then I'm going to attach it with hot glue. So let's continue with this. So now that this is done, I'm going to use one of the little reindeer ornaments that I used in the first project, and I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the back of it, and then I'm going to attach it to the center of the frame, and this piece will be done, and I think it looks super adorable. Let me know what you guys think. For this last project, we're going to do the same exact thing I did with the reindeer frame, but instead of the reindeer, I'm going to use this little sled ornament, also from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to hot glue it to the center of the frame. And that is all that we're doing here. The exact same steps that I did with the reindeer frame, we're going to do it with this one, but we're just changing the reindeer to this adorable little sleigh ornament. Now that I hot glued it to the center, I'm going to add this battery tea light to give it a little extra something, and this project is done. So now all of these projects are done and I think they turned out super cute, definitely giving that Ralph Lauren vibe that's so trendy this year. Make sure to follow me on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure to hit that little bell button to get notified when I post new videos. Thanks so much for watching, everyone. See you all on my next DIY.